In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Loom with Gohighlevel. We'll be doing this directly inside a Gohighlevel sub-account, and the goal is to add a Loom video into an email template so your message feels more personal and engaging. This is especially useful if you want to send video-based outreach, follow-ups, or branded email campaigns. To begin, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct sub-account. That part is important because email assets and campaign settings are managed at the sub-account level. Once you're in the right place, go to the left side menu and click on Marketing. From there, select Emails. Inside the email area, click Create Campaign. This will take you into the email campaign setup where you can start building the message that will eventually include your Loom video. After that, choose Email Marketing Templates. This is where you can start with a pre-built design instead of creating everything from scratch, which can save time and make the layout cleaner. Next, click. Choose a template and select the one you want to work with. Once you've chosen it, give it a moment to fully load and be added into the editor. It's a good idea not to click around too quickly during this part because the template needs a few seconds to finish loading properly before you begin editing. Once the template has been added, look to the left-hand side of the editor. This is where you'll find the content elements you can drag into your email layout. Find the video element, then drag it into the section of the email where you want the Loom video to appear. Try to place it somewhere that feels natural in the flow of the message, usually near the top or just after a short introduction. After the video block is in place, update the video type setting and change it to Loom. This tells Gohighlevel exactly what kind of video link you'll be using so it can display the content correctly inside the email design. Finally, paste your Loom video link into the appropriate field. Make sure you're using the correct share link for the video you want recipients to access. Once that's added, your Loom video is integrated into the email layout. At this point, you can continue refining the rest of your email, but the Loom connection itself is done. Just make sure everything looks right in the editor before moving forward. And that's how to integrate Loom with Gohighlevel.